Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about metaphor. What is metaphor? Let's begin. Metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two unrelated things by saying one is the other without using like or as. Let's see example. Life is a journey. Compares life to a journey, meaning it has different phases and experiences. Time is money suggests that time is valuable just like money. She has a heart of a stone implies that she is emotionally cold or unfeeling. The world is a stage. Shakespearean metaphor meaning life is like a play where everyone has roles.